Department of Youth Affairs and Sport na Sindona Pangthu leba Humphumanga Suba State Level Subarto Mukherjee Football Tournament 2026 ki ngarang langsing asoba football top ta sana ki boys branding match ta mai pak tuna kraba AG Mani Memorial Academy Thobal Sarangpat ki player Mahiroi Singh amade coach Singh asi Sarangpat Mani laikai da leiba school asigi campus ta taramno oktuna puning thogot khre school asigi auditorium hall da pangthokhiba samlaba thoram aduda school asigi principal TS Master Singh vice principal KS Momon amade school asigi sport ki section ama oina leirepa Pandam Football Academy ki coach Singh Bogen Boboy amade Chandra Kumar na president member Singh oina saruk yaduna player Singh guardian Singh amadi coach Singh bo school gi mai kaidagi asam khudol Singh tamduna taramna oki loina Punjab FC da select torak laba school asida class 9 tamliba mairoi mangal moirangcha usu khudol tamduna puning thogot ki thoram aduda wangang laduna AG Memorial Academy gi principal TS Master na school asigi mai roi player Singh na asigumba sauthok saningai oiraba tournament asida district asida leiriba school kayabu ngamduna state level gi oina makok thongba ngamlakpa amadi makata na national level da satuna atai state singa sangdamnaba phangadoriba asi yamna sauthok sai punamak asigi maroiba maru oina guardian singna sogot piba amadi school asigi leijeriba Pandam Football Academy ki coach singna thawai yawna hona bibadagi oiba ngamjari bani haina apenwa wafam kaya phongdokhi amodi national level da su mai paklakpa ngamnaba punamana hona minase haina phongdokhi panbayai under 17 boys state level Subarto Mukherjee football tournament 2026 ki ngarang langjing asoba football top ta sanakiba match aduda AG Memorial Academy Sarangpatna ASUFI Christian Institute Senapati bu goal mari anida maithiba piduna tournament asigi champion oibu ngamlokhibani